What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Nike VaporMax 2020. I personally own 7 pairs of these. Today we're going to be getting into a try-on and a review, and without further ado, let's get into the review. I would say these are probably one of the shoes that shocked me the most. I've always liked the way VaporMax have looked, but I've always hated the fit. And when I tried a pair of these on, I fell in love with them. I wear a 13.5 and I went to 13 in all these and they fit me perfect. I typically rotate between a 13 and 14, but I mainly wear 13, so I would say stick true to size on these. I purchased the Oreo colorway, the all red colorway, the all blue colorway, the platinum/gray colorway, the black colorway, the navy colorway, and the gray and red colorway as well. One thing I didn't understand was how this was supposed to be made out of recycled materials, but they raised the price. I would think it'd be cheaper with the recycled materials. I'm a really big fan of the switch up, and I like that they use the recycled materials. I really like the upper material. I love the multicolored Flyknit. I think that looks super great in all the shoes. I really like the lacing system. I think that is super nice and convenient. I do kind of wonder how the lacing system will hold up. I've had no issues with mine, and I also don't really wear just one pair constantly. I kind of rotate between them and wear my other shoes as well. The lacing system does seem pretty solid, so I really don't have any concerns with it. I think that they will hold up. I really like the marbled heel cup and also on the toe as well. These shoes are extremely comfortable and a huge improvement over previous Nike VaporMax. I think with Nike changing the outsole pattern, it improved the shoe a lot. I just found it to be a lot more stable. I love all these colorways. There's actually a couple other colors that I'd like to get. I think this shoe is great. I really hope they come out with more colorways. I'm a really big fan of these and I definitely would purchase more. It's kind of weird. One of my pairs came with an insole that looks straight like Boost. I've owned a ton of VaporMax, the original, the Flyknit 2s, and the off-white VaporMax, and I've sold all of them because I just did not like the fit. I used to really hate that they squeaked and I just always felt unbalanced. I was able to pick up all these at a really good price. I do still think they're worth $220, and I think that you can even find them cheaper on Nike's website. I would definitely recommend these. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is not really something I typically do, but I have 7 pairs of these and I figured I might as well get a video out for you guys. I'll be bringing out a lot more content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. I'll be putting out a lot of content on stuff that you guys haven't seen or just isn't reviewed out there. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out my other videos. This is not paid or promoted, and it would help the channel out a lot. Thank you guys for watching.
Laugh,